Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with one of my faves, RPGHair once more. It's the same packaging as usual. So I open the box, I see the wig, and followed by that I have a extra elastic band, well, an extra adjustable strap. It's listed here, they labeled it. And I also got a rat tail comb, a pair of wig caps, and I got a RPGHair pamphlet which lists, you know, their social media, hair care, all of that is listed on the inside of, you know, the pamphlet. So that's what that's good for. So also I want to let you guys know that RPG has a Black Friday sale going on, so you can check my description box for all that information. And you can get any deals that are, you know, available on, you know, wigs like this or any other wig that they have to offer. So today I have a kinky straight wig, lace front wig, and this is 20 inches long. Guys, you know, the kinky straight texture has been trendy. What I have today is their invisible HD lace. You guys know that for some time now, RPG has been constantly up in their game on their laces, so that's a plus. And this is a 13x6 lace front wig. So this is how the inside looks. On the side it gets a little it's not as deep, so yeah. Inside has a total of 4 combs inside of the cap, and there are adjustable straps in the back, and you know, the knots come pre-bleached and pre-tinted, so you don't have to worry about doing that for yourself. Also, I'm pretty sure you guys saw how nicely plucked the hairline is, so you don't have to do that at all. There's nothing left to pluck off this. Like, you know, if anything, this might even be probably a little too deep with the plucking for some people. So there's nothing else you need to pluck. Oh, and this is 150% in density, so that's really good. And that's how that's looking. Oh, it's a 1B color as well, as you can see. And that's it. So we're gonna jump into installing this gorgeous wig.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.
See how nicely laid this is, and the wig is also very snug once I slip it onto my head. So that is really nice, and you know, you just can tell that, you know, everything is pretty accurate in terms of sizing. It's a medium cap that I got. So yeah, and I also use the adjustable bands in straps in the back. So, you know, I just put them through the hoops. I actually use them, so it helps to make the wig more snug and secure on your head. And then I'm gonna use my got2b and just kind of get everything really nice and secure, even more secure now. So we're doing a glueless install.
Driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
It's super easy to melt down. Super easy, because remember, this is their, you know, upgraded invisible lace, and it's really nice and thin. So you also want to be careful when working with this lace, because it can be torn quite easily, so bear that in mind. So for the end, like you will see, like when you cut it, like free edges that need to be relayed, so you just apply a little bit more got2b on that, and you'll be fine.
Oh.
that is super like laid. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys can see that like it's looking good. It's looking real good. So in terms of styling, I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead apply some of my wax stick. I'm contemplating if I should, like, you know, do a center part, even though you guys have been doing it right. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or switch it. I don't know. And the texture of the hair is really nice. It feels really full. There is minimal shedding, so please bear that in mind. But as it relates to the lace, it's a full-on 10.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh.
So cute, like a nice low bun. Alright, so I think I want to do like some twists here, like flat twists on the sides, because I want to show off the hairline, because it looks so good. This is like one of my go-to styles when I want to show off like the hairline of a wig. That looks very realistic, and this is how the hair looks at the end. I love that fresh blowout, healthy, you know, type 4 hair type of look. It looks so natural. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let's get the hairline on this win. The texture win. How realistic it looks, all of that, it looks so good. It's a 10. Alright, so if you're going for this natural kind of vibe, this is your kind of wig. 100%. I 10 out of 10 recommend. So you can check out RPGHair. You know, it was very easy to install. I did a whole pullback look. No edges, no baby hairs. Just, you know, minimal sideburns, and it's a vibe, okay? So yeah, that's it though. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to RPG once more, and don't forget to go ahead and check out their Black Friday sale. Yes, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your Petite.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me high.